This orca hits glass during dinner on a boat cruising Antarctica. This what will happen if you affected by a rabies, also known as hydrophobia. You will afraid of water. This guy affected by the electricity of lightning that strike at her back.
Have a GPS, and I used to carry a big, bulky handheld one, and I got hit. I felt it. Yeah, I got hit. That hurt. Yeah, it just hurt.
Shit, really?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Alright.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah, fucking.
Got that on video? Yeah, was that on video?
This adorable cat can't wait the food, so he tapped the bowl just to notice by his mother.